is Sushmita and you're watching me on Sushmita's Diaries. And if you have come to my channel for the very first time, then let me tell you that I make videos on hair care and beauty. And one of the most commonly asked questions that I receive through comments and DMs is how to cover grays. I know this premature graying problem has become so common that even young people are facing it. And my husband has just turned 40 and he has developed quite a few gray strands. So I keep researching on how to cover grays naturally as we can without any side effects. And very honestly speaking, I try all these natural remedies first on myself before I share it with you, because only the best and the most effective ones should reach you, cutting out the bogus ones. So you need to thank me for that. So this time some of you requested me to come up with a natural and instant hair dye remedy. So I did my share of research one more time and came across this particular video. Now here Kalonji has been used in a very interesting way to make instant hair dye. Now personally I am a big fan of Kalonji. I use it in my hair oil for making different hair masks, and it really does a wonderful job. It kind of enriches your hair texture and the natural color, and it also helps with hair growth. So I obviously was very excited to try this one out before approving of it, and I really feel that my husband is the best person to try this remedy out on, because he has grays visible. So yeah, let us see whether this instant hair dye really works or it is just a hoax. So make sure that you watch this video till the end to see the results.
As suggested in the original video, we need Kalonji seeds as per our hair length. So here I have half cup of high quality and organic Kalonji seeds. I think this much is more than enough to cover all his hair. Friends, I have earlier used Kalonji to make hair darkening hair masks and hair oils, but I have never used it as an instant dye. So I'm very curious to see how this one turns out. In the next step, the Kalonji seeds need to be dry roasted till they turn crunchy. So basically, the seeds need to be roasted to an extent that they turn into charcoal. Keep the heat medium high. Friends, here I'm using an iron kadhai instead of using any regular pan, because iron reacts with the seeds and the herbs to make them release their essence and colors even better. So I'm using the iron kadhai here, and it's been almost 10 minutes now, and the Kalonji seeds have turned very crunchy, and I think they have lost all their moisture. So after almost 10 to 12 minutes, I'm going to switch off the flame and wait till the seeds are on the room temperature. Moving on to the next step, and now we need to grind these seeds very fine. You don't really need to add anything here, just make a simple Kalonji powder. So I am going to use my grinder and grind these seeds as finely as I can. So here we have the finely ground Kalonji seeds, and it looks like charcoal, and I think this is what we need. Friends, very interestingly, in the next step, the content creator added shampoo in this powder. Yes, she added shampoo in it, and considering the fact that this needs to remain in hair for close to 10 minutes, I think shampoo will dry out the hair if you keep it in the hair for that long. So I'm going to rather use some aloe vera gel. Mix it really well to make a fine paste like this one. Since this is a temporary dye which will fade away after one wash, I don't know if mixing shampoo with it is a good idea. So I rather chose aloe vera, because aloe vera locks moisture and color. So here the dye is ready, and I'm using a toothbrush to apply this on the hair. So applying on the hair generously, section by section, and just to give you an idea, this is going to be very messy because the lumps of Kalonji keeps dropping on the clothes and even on the floor. So we have applied it all over the hair. The original video suggests that you need to keep it for almost close to 10 minutes, but I am going to leave it for 45 minutes, since both Kalonji and aloe vera are natural ingredients and they don't have any side effects on the hair, though leaving shampoo in hair for more than a couple of minutes will damage your hair for sure. So guys, after 45 minutes, he simply rinsed it off with plain water. He did not use any shampoo. So in the entire process, no shampoo was used. And now let us see the results. Oops, all the grays are intact. Not even a single gray hair got covered. Guys, this is despite the fact that the dye was left in the hair for much longer than what was suggested in the original video. I'm very disappointed actually. So I would say that this instant Kalonji hair dye did not work.
So guys, as you saw that this remedy sadly did not work. I really wanted this one to work because Kalonji never disappoints you, and I made sure that the Kalonji paste stays in the hair for close to 1 hour, despite the fact that the original video suggested that you need to keep it for only 5 to 6 minutes. But it did not work. So guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this experiment, that I did. And if you really want me to try out any other viral remedy or any other hack, do let me know in the comments. I would love to try it out and share the results. So yeah, this is all for today, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and also please hit that bell icon so that you get instant notification of all the videos that I post. And yeah, I'll see you all very soon. Till then, bye and take care.